Okay, so now I have my virtual environment activated, and now what I will do is I will install a Python package called Flask sqlalchemy, and that is what will handle all your SQL queries and database queries and all. Okay, so for that, go to search Flask sqlalchemy. Click on the first link. Click on the
Sir,
first link.
actually,
Copy this and paste it over here. Pip install Flask sqlalchemy and install. And this
sir,
should
I
install
missed something.
Flask sqlalchemy. And also in your requirement.txt file, as I mentioned last time, also just uh, paste it again over here and just keep Flask sqlalchemy over here and save it in your requirement.txt file. So Flask sqlalchemy is installed. And now we can go ahead and start creating our database for our app. So database, what is a database? You might be asking. It's nothing but a play, just like a, uh Excel sheet which contains your data. Uh, so it's going to be a group of Excel sheets. So maybe this one. Let's say this one is one Excel sheet having a data related to movies. Okay, so this other one is going to be another Excel sheet having data related to the theater. Okay, and the other one is going to be related to, let's say, uh, price, time, and price of ticket. So this is so these will be your databases. These will be separate data sheets, and together all of these three things together will consist as your database. Okay, so I will show you how to create your databases, and we will move forward from there on. Okay, uh, now coming back to the record. Why can't I go back to my recording? Okay. Yes, it's just for your understanding. The Excel thing is just to show you guys what our database looks like. Okay, now let's
Sir,
dive
could
into
you
the
repeat?
code. Yes, a question? Any question? Okay, no questions. Okay, now let's dive back into the code.
Installing DB block.
What?
Sir, I had a question, sir.
Yeah, yes, please ask.
Yes, sir, could you repeat what you said?
You are
Repeat
not
which part?
audible, Rishabh.
Okay, Rishabh, I think you are having some technical issues. Please sort that out. Where, we will, if you have any questions, we'll take it later on. Let's just move on right now. Or you can type it down if you're not able to say it. We'll check it later.
I typed it in the chat box.
I don't see anything coming. It's blank.
The last but one message. Can you repeat what to do after installing DB browser?
Yeah, after DB browser, just let it. You install this. You install Flask SQL Alchemy. You install Flask SQL Alchemy in your virtual environment. And after that, now we will start working on writing a database. Lokesh, yesterday I told you that why virtual environments are important. It's because if you install them in the global environment, then you will have some chaos in later point of your app development life cycle. So it's always recommended to install every package, Python package in your virtual environment. Okay, now let's go back to our the main app. So this is where we left it behind. Let me just stop the recording over here. Okay, this is